Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing and installing the Frizzlife GX99 ultra-filtration under-sink water filter system. Let me show you what's included in the box and then we'll install it. Included in the box you have
the GX99 ultra-filtration under-sink water filter, the dedicated faucet, the 1/4-inch water tubing, the cartridge wrench, the 3/8 to 1/2-inch converter set, the fittings and connectors, the feed water valve, and the instruction booklet. Step 1. Cut the 1/4-inch tubing evenly into 2 sections, otherwise may result in water leakage. Step 2. Connect the supply water tubing. Use the tubing wrench to remove both plugs by pressing the fitting sleeves. Insert one end of the inlet tubing into the supply port on the back of the system. Make sure to insert the tubing about 0.8 inches to the back of the fitting. Make sure to seal the connection with the provided blue clip. Step 3. Connect the 3-way feed water valve. Insert the other end of the inlet tubing to the quick fitting port of the feed water valve. Please make sure to push and squeeze the tubing to the very end to prevent water leakage. Seal the connection with the blue clip. Step 4. Connect the cold water supply. Shut off the water supply and disconnect the cold water pipe from the angle valve. Twist the feed water valve onto the angle valve and make sure the O-ring is loaded. Then connect the original cold water hose onto the feed water valve. You may find there is not enough clearance to directly connect your feed water valve onto your angle valve. In that case, you would just use a faucet connector hose to connect it like shown. Step 5. Connect the filtered water tubing. Insert one end of the outlet tubing into the filtered port. Then seal the connection with a blue clip. Step 6. Install and connect the faucet provided. The dedicated faucet provided fits with hole sizes ranging from 0.47 inches to 1.5 inches. First, mount the rubber washer and fasten the hand fixture underneath the sink. Connect the other end of the outlet tubing from the filtered port into the 1/4-inch quick fitting. Then seal the connections with the blue clips provided. After installation, you want to flush the system for about 15 minutes before the first use. Then all you have to do is enjoy your clean, great tasting filtered water. When it is time to replace the filters in the system, all you have to do is first shut off the water supply. Remove the front cover. Then, using the cartridge wrench provided, twist out each cartridge that needs to be replaced counterclockwise. Then grab your new cartridge filters and push each into their designated holes and twist clockwise until the hollow circle on the filter cartridge is aligned with the lock icon on the panel. Lastly, replace the front cover and flush the system again for about 15 minutes before the first use.
And that's how you install the GX99 ultra-filtration under-sink water filter. Thanks for watching.